Hi everybody, I'm Laura with Bare Naked Wools, and today I wanted to show you a little bit about unseaming your stripped blanket statement blanket. Everybody, how this blanket has buttonholes that have been created on the edge so that we can actually turn the blanket into a poncho. I have various needles over here, and you'd use a dull one or you could use one of these bendy ones. For this project, I prefer to use something a little sharp because it's going to really get into the stitches and I'm going to really be able to pull out this center thread. What I do is I try to give it a little nudge just to see what direction or where the yarn is coming from. And as you can see, it's coming from right over here in this stitch. So all I have to do is pull on it, and that actually releases the first stitch from this strip. And then we're going to keep doing that. And then I'm going to give it a little tug again. And you see how it showed itself right here. We're going to go in through that hole and give it a pull. And you're going to continue to do this until you get to the other end. And one thing you'll notice is that since these strips were actually edged with garter stitch, the seaming was actually done in all of the purl bumps. So you should be seeing your seamed thread come from every other purl bump from each strip. And as you get into it, you can see that it actually gets easier to give it a pull and really see where that yarn is coming from. This is probably one of the easiest stitches to unseam. A couple other stitches can be slightly more tricky, but it's the same concept. You just want to go slow and you want to see where the yarn is coming from before you stick your needle in and pull. So let's lay it out so you guys can see. And that's how you're going to unseam your stripped blanket statement blanket.